Welcome. Today we'll show you here in the 840D solution line, but at the end it doesn't matter. It's the same way also on other controls. How to get connected to our service department via Gleason Connect. Come on, I show you.
First, select the service menu from the Gleason HMI. There you can always find an access to the HMI of the controller. Now we are on the controller page. Select here the function machine. Now select the second page. Activate Gleason Connect. Now the remote application will start automatically. Of course, the machine must be connected to the internet. Now you can see two new generated important details, your ID and the current password. And these two values you just need to report to our Gleason Connect service staff so they can dial in. Note the values will be changed every time you re-enable Gleason Connect.